Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I think this will be a new video, so welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. It's Thursday. Today's when? Yeah, today is Wednesday actually. Wednesday, January 22nd. And it's around almost 11 o'clock. Started my day late because I'm tired. So I was on the road Monday and Tuesday, so yeah, I'm tired. I didn't get to vlog as much as I'd want to, but yeah. So now I'm making some breakfast. I'm making yam and dumpling, and I'm cooking yam and dumpling and tin mackerel. So I'll see how quickly I can do that because I have other stuff to do today. I have my vlog to edit. I need to go on my laptop to catch up on some work for freelancing and stuff like that. So I'm not sure how the day will turn out, or this will continue into tomorrow, but let's see how it goes. Also guys, please let me know what do you think about my previous videos. By now it would have been around 3 most recent vlogs. Please let me know what you guys think, if you've been enjoying them. Remember to comment, share your thoughts in the comment section, as this will encourage me to do more and stuff like that. So yeah guys, stick and stay, and remember to share the videos as well. Remember to like them so YouTube can push them out to more persons, stuff like that, because the goal is to get monetized before the end of the year. Okay, yeah, so let's see how today goes. Guys, you remember this piece of yam that I had, the big yam that I cooked off last week. So I'm gonna cook some of it now. You see how big it be? We still have yam leaf. So I'm gonna peel it. That's the pot of oil. You kind of peer it around because of how the yam is. Guys, I'm about to make some curry chicken foot. Cook some curry chicken foot with white rice. So guys, me there here I edit the vlog that's I posted before this one, so you can watch it after this one. And one man to go check on the pot because I say must dry up, but I know when me go look the gas done. But thank guys, the audio dropped, but I was saying thank God I have another cylinder ready and waiting to use, and that's why I purchased it, because me not like when gas finish under my pot. So yeah, I have two. Dinner is ready. I'm gonna eat this now because I literally not eat nothing time to sense from, and me drink tea and crackers because I rush go up on the road to do something, and then me come back and make oats. So this is my first official meal, and I basically night I do so about after 6. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I think this will be a new vlog It depends on how long the previous one is, or the clips that I have is. If it's enough to do a full vlog, like maybe 20 minutes or so, I might not add this one to it. So it might be a new vlog. So welcome back, or welcome to my channel. So it's Friday and I'm heading out. I'm rushing because I'm really late. I'm heading out to go to the supermarket, and then I need to touch up my hair. As you can see, I have in locks. Hope you can see it. So I'm gonna go to my hairdresser. So I need to go to the supermarket, come back home, then drop off those, and then go to the hairdresser to refresh my hair for church tomorrow. And not just for church, but you need to refresh. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'll do my best to capture as much as I can. Bear in mind that I'm in a hurry. So yeah, you can stay for the vlog. Tell me 2 phones here. That's it, hello? Half dozen for 250. You can get 3 for 100. What you said to me? I give you half dozen. How much it is? 200. How much you carrot, say? 3 bills. 1/2 pound, the smaller one then, please. How much you cucumber? 300 a pound. Me never tell her that. Stop tell her for me. One me want, one small one. Much of that? So we can get a bigger $300.
We got one, them and go wait. This is we half pound for 150.
Give me that, cause maybe I go something anyway.
You want the $200 pepper half dozen?
No.
$100 pepper.
Make it stay. That's it, too much that.
It's a 250 and 200 a 400.
Maybe 2 pepper there.
How much it is? Give me a go pick this. What? Why does it smell like cigarette or something? I'm gonna take this one. What's my favorite? Is your favorite? Sorry. Sorry, sir. Come out there, still not have no grace baby. No grace baby not there. Michael. No grace baby not there, me blind.
None of that.
Oh, I know never there last week either. Buy one miracle.
Because when we come to the farm, possibly when you are speaking, you want to look for them.
Yeah, I know, thank you. Okay. I think it's this one. No, no water. Waiting oil. Not showing now, okay? No, we're not in it, okay? I wouldn't do that. Yeah, Hey guys, so I'm back home. I literally just reached home. It's actually 5:01 p.m. of course. Thank God I reached home before night. So as you can see, my hair look fresh up now, right? Yeah. Nobody put no edge or nothing, but me gonna say it tight and then look pull up too much and then something there. So yeah, it's all done. I'm gonna quickly publish a video at the description and the thumbnail and stuff from my previous vlog. If you haven't watched it yet, you can go ahead and check it out after this one. Well, maybe this will be the second one after that one. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish. I'm gonna add the description, make the thumbnail and stuff, and publish it because I already uploaded it last night, so it's on private on YouTube. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take up the camera back for today, as it's Friday. So I'm about to do that quickly and prepare for Sabbath. If y'all don't know, I'm a Seventh-day Adventist. So tomorrow is Sabbath. We're gonna go to church. We have a convention at NCU, so we're gonna do that. So I might not take up back the camera until tomorrow. So yeah, talk to you then. Until Sunday, sorry, not tomorrow, Sunday. So yeah, that's the hair. I like locks now guys, I love locks. So I try to make it keep a bit long instead of pull out it so quick. I've had this in since the second week in December because I did it around 2 weeks before Christmas. So yeah, let me know how it looks in the comment section. I'll try to have video here. The sun went again. I was saying I might insert a video of when I just did my hair. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.